Hey there! If you're dealing with constant crashes in the health app on your iPhone, I totally understand how frustrating that can be, especially when you count on it to keep track of your health data. But there are several potential culprits, such as outdated software, app conflicts, or even storage issues. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some effective solutions to help you get that health app running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Force close and reopen the health app. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Next, locate the health app and swipe it up to close it. Now restart your iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the health app and check if it's working properly. If the app continues to crash, don't stress. Let's move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Check for iPhone storage space. Insufficient storage can definitely lead to app crashes, so let's make sure you have enough space. Here's how. Open the Settings app, scroll down until you find General option and tap on it. Tap on iPhone storage. Review your storage usage. If it's almost full, consider deleting any unnecessary files or offloading apps you don't use. If you want to offload the health app, just tap Offload app and confirm your choice. Once that's done, tap Reinstall app and wait for it to finish. Finally, open the health app to see if it's functioning properly. Solution 3. Reset all settings. If the health app is still crashing after all that, resetting the settings might just do the trick. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data, but it will reset things like Wi-Fi passwords. Here's what you need to do. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap on General again. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset all settings. Confirm your choice and allow your iPhone to reset. After the reset, open the health app and check if the crashing has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix those annoying crashing issues with health app on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stick around for more troubleshooting tips.